let's see, Mama. I don't know. Whoa. So crazy. Hey, good morning. Annie. Hi. Brandon. Look at Annie's big pancake. And then I got the French toast with this.
I'll drop this. I gotta put it.
Oh, okay. And then Brandon, what is that? Cinnamon?
Yeah, it's a French toast cinnamon roll size.
French toast cinnamon roll pancake. If y'all can't hear because it's loud. But yeah, we're about to eat. Say hi, Annie. Yeah. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm gonna have to catch Brandon a little bit. I'll get her. I'll get both y'all. Annie, say hi, Mama. You like your little ice cream truck? And then she got a cute little photo. I'm not in it. I'm so sad because I was winning these tickets, but still. And then Bloom's asleep. She's out. That water did her good. Excuse me. Can I get some chocolate ice cream? I would like a chocolate ice cream, extra sprinkles. Thank you. Yes, girl. Oh, with the braid. Eddie, why are you cracking me up right now? Sister.
Jump, jump, jump.
There you go.
Jump, baby, jump, jump, jump.
Hurry, 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 hurry. Come on. The more tickets, come on. We need a lot of tickets.
Jump, Annie, like this.
Annie, fast. The little chair. See if you got it. Let's see. Oh, you got one or two. That's cool. Yeah. We got some good ice cream right around over there. Oh. Yay! All right, cuz. Now she gets to get candy. So pretty. Kind of reminds me of Seattle, like the campus when we went. Remember? So this is the hallway. It's super cute. Alright, you guys, we are leaving, checking out, but we're gonna go swimming again because we can swim still. But I wanted to show y'all the room because we rushed when we got here. It was late. Say hi, babies.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi, Mama. And then cute little details, little couch, and then this is the view right here. So cool. And that's it. It was so nice staying here. It was like very comfortable. The restroom is cute as well. I love the little, I paid attention to everything though. But bye. Go Bloom. Bounce. Go. Get it. So this is a little like we got fresh water. Another strawberry water?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cute Starbucks. Ooh. So this is the floor, the water park level. Okay. So this is where Annie got her magical wand. They sell capes and stuff like that. This is the bowling alley that we did yesterday. So freaking cool. Ice cream, we got ice cream in it right across. They got a pretzel place. They have laser tag and then they have like a virtual thing. This is the restaurant. And they got a little kiosk for drinks. They got a builder there. Hello, morning. They got the mining factory. Morning. Morning.
Going to the pool?
Yeah. And then they have the arcade that we did yesterday as well. And then now we're at the water park. This is the wave pool. They got a beach area. Oh no, that's the whirlpool. And then that's the wave pool. And this is the kiddie area. Then they have this huge thing right here. This is the basketball. This is the little ball thing.
Let's go check it out.
And they have basketball. Brandon, she wants to go back to the slides. Yeah, over there. Alright, you guys, we are done. It was a fun weekend. Annie's crying, of course, because she wants to stay longer. But, you know. But we're going to head to the museum, and I think we're going to go to the Galleria Mall. I hope. I don't know. But Brandon said we are. So we'll see. But yeah, see you in a little bit. Wow, isn't that cool? Oh look, that's this is so freaking cute, you guys. Oh, 7-Eleven.
Alright, so now this is a very special bed. It's called an incubator.
How long you been?
Help you squeezing it?
Awesome. And we're gonna find our feeding tube.
Oh, we need a feeding tube.
You're the feeding tube, baby.
And we're
No,
gonna
we're
find
feeding the
the
baby.
yellow end of the feeding tube.
Oh, here's the yellow end, baby.
Yellow
And
end.
we're gonna stick that feeding tube right through baby's mouth and through the
Right here.
passy.
Right there.
With a passy.
Put it in there.
Oh, baby.
Oh, you being nice,
Okay.
baby.
There we go. Alright.
She
And then
giving
we'll
her
take the
feeding tube.
syringe and we'll just, yes, sweetie.
Oh,
Do
look
what?
at what?
Get the
That's
syringe.
what you just did, straight to the mouth. Straight to the mouth. Yeah, now we're going to slowly feed the baby.
Okay, push it down.
slowly,
Slowly,
gently,
push it.
slowly.
Slow down.
Feed the
Slowly.
baby.
Yes. Slowly.
Push it. Can you push it?
Well, this one's a little
My
different.
phone was down. My phone was
There, look, slow.
Perfect.
Yay! Good job. Oh, the fire is coming on. That's cool. Look at our little delivery. Okay, let's go. Go deliver it. There you go. All right. You're done. And she got paid. Watch out.
Pay more doing this than she did for freaking saving a newborn baby.
Wow. Look at your little.
Excited? Annie, no.
Annie, one. Just one, baby.
One. Oh, let's go.
Car, baby. You see
White
white
car.
car? Where over her. Woo! Denver, this town is so cute. And he's over there being a Terminator. Now she's at the fashion show. Whoa, girlfriend! Turn. Go, Sissy.
It's not ours. If you like it, maybe third mine won't like it.
Oh my goodness.
She's got a smile, mama. Alright, come on, let's go.
Alright, let's. Got Annie her lunch. Now it's my turn to shop, guys. Okay. Okay. Turn around. Turn around. Ooh, you're beautiful. Dude, there's a reason why we came, because freaking Bing Bong, it's inside out now. It's so freaking cute, you guys. Your sadness? Whoa! You're sad? Funny. Oh my. Oh! Oh! Ma'am. It's the first time I've seen Brandon eat pasta since we've been together. He's never eaten pasta and he hates coming here. But Annie wanted that for her birthday, right, Mama? Like Mama? Mm-hmm. Mama's twin, yep. Mm-hmm. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
Mosquito bites or what?
Good job. And she loves Fiona.
Oh, that's
And I
what
need
number is
that.
that?